I just wonder, do the guys at Mercedes really think they did a good design when they did this wheel? Hello, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this. This just has to go now. Wheels, tires, sensors. So let's send them off for fitting. And the wheels are back from fitting. Now that's more like it. So here we have the headlights and the adapter cable kit. So let's install. So for the adapter cable harness, this one goes on this side, ground, then you route the cable up here, down to this side, same here. This one to the headlight and this one to ground. And then we have these, they will go into this fuse box. And then we have these, they will go into the cabin for the CAN bus and power. So they will go through the firewall here, underneath all this. So now I run the cable here, I've removed the cabin air inlet and filter, and I run the cable down there into that one. And now we got the cables in here, as you can see. So I'm going to run it to the CAN bus distributor. And then we have the power cables here. These are going into the front SAM. And then the headlights are installed and just the coating is left. And now we take the new side brackets that you have to order. And this goes on to this one. And now we just need to adjust it a bit and then send it off to paint. So when it comes to the hood, this part I just reused. You just take out these clips and you can reuse the clips as well, or you can buy new ones. They're like almost free. These are new because they are almost impossible to get off in one piece. So these are new. These you can reuse, this you can reuse. I took a new one since this one had a little crash on it. These I also reused the old ones. These I reused the old ones. And also the mesh on top. And finally I could reuse this plastic cover. It just clicks in place. So time to install the rear bumper and how to assemble the new bumper. I show you up here in the corner a link on how to do that. So now we will just have to remove this one. First of all, you remove the taillights. So what I do is I loosen up this panel a bit, then just take out the connector and the 3 bolts. And then you just remove it. And here you can see they only sit with these 3 and the connector. And now you have clips. One is here and the rest is inside here. And then right here you have a screw. So you need to remove all this to get in there. So now I have removed the inner liner, so we can get to all things here. And here you can see you have 1 more bolt, and here you have 1 more rivet. So the rivet is located here, and the bolt is located here. And then the rest will pop out. It's just these clips. So there we go. Okay, so now you need to carefully lift these so it snaps out like this. Now we replace this one. And of course we give it a good clean while we're at it. Both of these brackets are the same, they are identical to the new ones. I will change them out just because they're cheap and these are nice and clean. And now we add this new one. And since I have this one factory installed, the trailer hitch, I actually have to do a little cutout for it. But actually not any bigger than this. And of course you have to cut off a bit of the exhaust pipe to get the new pipes on there. take the new light. So as usual, I take one of these out so I can just peel it off when it's in place. And I gave it a good clean, of course, before I do this. Like this one. To make sure you get good result. I will just do the same with this one. So there we go. Now for the one in front. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications when new videos come up. Don't miss out the new Instagram account. Follow us there as well to get the latest and greatest. And until next time, see you.